This is your sign to make this herbal hair growth spray. You can make this at home with a simple yet effective ingredients. You don't know by now that the key to hair growth is using products from Mother Nature, and the key is repetition. You have to continue to use this hairspray in order to see growth. You would barely catch me using hair mask. I mean, using herbs in form of a mask. Let me tell you today that the best way to use herbal ingredients is in spray form and also in oil form. The Miracle Hairspray is so potent. It is anti-inflammatory, anti-fungi, anti-dandruff, anti-itching, and a powerful hair growth spray that we're about to make on today's video. In a minute, I will walk you through on how to make this herbal hair growth spray that I'm talking about in this video. This spray will change your hair game for good. I was bald 3 months ago, and these ingredients changed my hair game from bald to highly dense hair. This product will help you achieve long and beautiful hair. I'm not even kidding. Look how beautiful and luscious my hair is. Who would believe that I was bald 3 months ago? Wow, that's how amazing this herbal ingredients that we're about to use for today's recipe is. Guys, you have to be consistent. You have to use it religiously for you to see results. You have to use it as I'm going to instruct you at the end of this video. You have to be consistent with it for you to see results, and also with a scalp massage. Scalp massages helps a lot with hair growth, so you have to cultivate the habit of doing that today. So to begin, grab a jar. Make sure all your apparatus are well sterilized. To sterilize your apparatus is by soaking them in lukewarm water with salt for about 15 minutes and dry them. That's very good and safe. My first ingredient is amla powder, and I'm using that in 1 tablespoon, which I'm going to be transferring into my jar. Make sure the jar is clean and well sterilized, just as I mentioned. My second ingredient is green tea. Guys, look what I have as my green tea. These are the dried version. I don't know about the fresh ones, so we are using dry green tea. You can purchase yours on Amazon or from Instagram vendors. I purchased mine from Nigerian market where they sell zobo leaves. Just ask them for green tea. I think that they are cheaper. Buying from vendors in the market, they are cheaper than buying from online. I feel they are cheaper. All right, I always buy larger quantity from those in the market because those extra coins can actually save you, or you can use it to buy 1 or 2 things. Okay, so for the measurement, we are using 1 tablespoon of the green tea, and for my next ingredient, we are making use of dried hibiscus flowers. Just as some of you would always ask me, Dima, can I use the fresh ones? If you want to use the fresh ones, just know that you're not going to steep yours in hot water, rather you're going to boil yours for 15 minutes. Now I'm using 3 flowers of the hibiscus. You may ask, why am I using less of it? That's because it can be staining, so I don't want it to be so staining. All right, that's why I'm using it in lesser quantity. So pour about 500 ml worth of hot water in your jar, and then cover up and allow it on your tabletop to steep for 8 to 12 hours, depending on your time, depending on how fast you want it. But I always love to leave mine for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, this must have cooled down completely. Next is to proceed to strain. For the straining, I'm making use of my strainer and a bowl to collect my herbal hair tea. Next, I'm going to be transferring this into my spray bottle. Make sure that whatever you're using for your hair, they are clean, so that you don't distribute germs into your hair, and that could cause another problem. Make sure you sterilize anything you're pouring your products in. Make sure that they are clean. Emphasis on the clean. Cover up, and this is ready for use. I'm going to be showing you how to use this. As for me, I'm going to be using this as a leave-in treatment. I always love to spray this from my root to my tips, from my scalp to my tips. Guys, you can see how dark my hair is. That's as a result of consistent use of hibiscus flowers. If you've been an OG on this channel, you definitely know that I love to use hibiscus a lot. So once I spray this to dampen my hair, next I will follow up with my leave-in conditioner. Just as you can see, I love my leave-in conditioners lightweight because I have fine hair. That story for another day, or you can also catch up with me on my other channel and have me explain this to you, because I'm going to be shooting that video very soon, why you need lighter products for fine hair and why you need thicker products for coarse hair. Back to my gist. So what I do is just to spray the herbal spray from my roots to my tips. Next, I follow up with my leave-in conditioner, and I seal with my hair growth oil, hair pomade, or hair butter, whichever, because all of them are categorized under O, which is oil. They are all under oil. Okay, so just using the LCO method, your own could be LOC, whichever method you love to use to moisturize your hair. Go ahead and use this spray to hydrate your hair, and then proceed with other moisturizing steps you would normally follow. So for problem areas, my bald areas, all I do is just to spray this there, then I massage it very well. Because the more you massage your scalp, the more you stimulate hair growth. Okay, you stimulate blood flow around the skull or around the area that you're massaging. It is very important. So all I do is to spray it on my problem area, which is my bald area, and then I massage it. Look how thick my edges are growing. Before I forget, thank you all so much for the love on my previous video. You guys really heard me. I noticed that a lot of you watch my videos to the end. It was exciting to me, and I loved every bit of that. Thank you so much. Please, if you have questions for me regarding this video, please drop it in the comment section below, and I will definitely be replying. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification for more videos. Please give us a like, tap on the like button, and please share this video to your WhatsApp groups, to your friends who need to see this video, who need to grow their hair back. This recipe is very important and is something that everyone should know about, so please share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Remain blessed. Bye.